Hello, everybody. We are going to discuss some questions of class 10 physics. The first question is, name a device that helps to maintain a potential difference across a conductor. So, how we can maintain a potential difference? Battery is used. So, how will you write the answer? Battery consisting of one or more electric cells is one of the devices that helps to maintain a potential difference across a conductor. You can use a single cell or a set of cells which makes the potential difference. Next question. What is meant by saying that the potential difference between 2 points is 1 volt? It means how will you define 1 volt? What is the definition of 1 volt? See the solution. When 1 joule of work is done to move a charge of 1 coulomb from one point to another, it is said that the potential difference between 2 points is 1 volt. So what do you understand by 1 volt? You have to perform 1 joule of work and how much charge is moved? 1 coulomb. Next, third question. How much energy is given to each coulomb of charge passing through a 6 volt battery? It means voltage is given. What is voltage? 6 volt. And what you have to do? You have to calculate energy. So how will you solve it? What is given? We know that the potential difference between 2 points is given by the equation V equal to W by Q. Formula for voltage is W by Q. W means work done and Q means charge. W is the work done in moving the charge from one point to another, and Q is the charge. From the above equation, we can find the energy given to each coulomb as follows. So W equal to V multiply Q. Substituting the values in the equation, we get W equal to 6 volt into 1 coulomb charge. 6 1 is 6. So what is work done? 6 joule. So write the answer. 6 joule of energy is given to each coulomb of charge passing through a 6 volt of battery. One more question. On what factor does the resistance of a conductor depends? It means which are the factors which changes the resistance? The resistance of the conductor depends on the following factor. Number 1, temperature of the conductor. B, cross-section area of the conductor, length of the conductor, and fourth, nature of the material of the conductor. These are the things which affect the resistance. Will current flow more easily through a thick wire or a thin wire of the same material when connected to the same source? Why? Already you know that thickness of the wire affects the resistance. It means it changes the current. So current is also changed. But how? See the solution. Resistance is given by the equation R equal to rho I by A, where rho is the resistivity of the material of the wire, L is the length of the wire, and A is the area of the cross section of the wire. From the equation, it is equivalent that the area of cross section of wire is inversely proportional to the resistance. Therefore, thinner wire, more resistance, and vice versa. Hence, current flows more easily through a thick wire than a thin wire. Understood? Thank you.